Alright, in order to do this drawing, hello. Alright. Yo. To do this drawing, you're going to have to do this drawing right here. You're going to have to do a drawing from the side so you can get this angle, this 30-degree angle right here. You're going to need that right there. And also to get these 45-degree chamfers, these 1/8 chamfers, you're going to have to do the drawing from the top and steal the measurements to translate into isometric. And I'm going to do those right now. And you see that they are 1/8 45-degree chamfers from the inside corners of these 5/16 lengths right here. So right now I've drawn, this is the top view, this section right here, and I've drawn it without these chamfers. So the thickness of these lines right here are 5/16. Now I'm going to do the 1/8 45-degree chamfer. So I'm just going to make a square that's 1/8.
Okay, first off,
your dad's in jail.
No, he's not.
It's like shut up. Hold still.
Like I said, my kids are not going to jump off the stage, that's for sure.
Yeah. We have.
Whoops, I did that wrong. Inside, and that's right. Alright, trim this stuff off.
Yep.
I'm looking for the length of this line right here, 1875. The length of this line right here, 1875. That's what I was going for. Now I can do this drawing with ease. And I was looking for the length, the height of this line right here. As you see, it is 14,175 because you don't know the length of this right here. That makes it easy to put in this angle. So I'm going to do this drawing now. So here we go, and this line right here is 1875. So that's what I'm going to be putting in right now.
We get a...
Well, you are. Not my fault.
They won't answer this.
But first I actually need to put in the overall length of everything, so I'm going to go across to...
Chill out.
I can't slow down.
Which is this line right here. So now I'm going to copy this.
I love that game.
And I'm going to put in a line of 5/16, which is what I'm going to do right here. 5/16. This line right here. 1, 2, 5. Which is 5/16 right here. So 5/16 as a decimal is 3125. That's this right here. Now I'm going to put in the length of this line, these lines right up here, so that's 1 3/16. 3/16 as a decimal is 1875. That's 1.1875 from here. 1.1875 at 30 degrees, enter, and now I'm coming this way. 1 3/8 as a decimal is 1.375. 375 at 150 degrees, enter, and now I just connect this right here, and now I put in the length of this line right here. 1.0625. 1.0625.
Okay. Finally! Balance.
Now I'm going to delete this line and copy and paste this line right over there.
What? What do you want?
And now delete this line, and I'm going to copy this line over there. This is the 1975. So I'm going to copy it from the end here, and I'm going to connect.
Why Frosty Road?
Right, and now I can go ahead and put in this line right here. No, nope, I have to go all the way to the back. So I'm going to start in this corner, I'm going to go all the way to the back, 3 3/16, and then I'm going to go up 2.5. So 3 3/16. 3/16 as a decimal is 1875. So I'm going to go from this point right here, 1875 at 30 degrees. Now I'm going to go up 2.5 at 90 degrees. Okay, and then I can scoop this in this drawing a little bit out of the way, right click, move these up.
Oh, that's still there.
Alright, and now this comes over 7/16 and then 7/8. Alright, so that's going to be 7/16 followed by 7/8. And that gets me to the point where I'm coming down, but I need to know this line right here, and that is 141.75, or I can just copy it to this point right here, and then I'm also going to need to copy it to this point right here, and here, and here, and here, and here. Now I'm going to connect like this, and then the thickness of this is 1.5, so I'm going to start drawing this out now. So 0.5 at 330, and then I can left click this, right click, copy the selection to the different points in here. Well, let's see. First I need to go over 7/16 at 210. Now I'm going to go down. The thickness of this line right here is 0.75, so I'm going to go down 0.75 at 270. And then this line and then the thickness of this line right here is 7/8, so I'm going to go over 7/8, or I can just copy the line I already drew. And now I can left click that line, right click, copy selection from this point here to the different sections. Now I can connect these lines and see what I can delete. And then the overall height of this line right here is 2 as well, so I can go ahead and just move that line.
Oh, he's playing Fortnite.
And I can delete that line now. Alright, now I'm going to TR, enter, get this stuff out of here. That's it, right there. Alright, and now this line right here
I just did that already.
depends on what I do over here. Alright, so what I need to do now is copy this line. This line right here is the same angle as this line, which is the same as this and this. So what I'm going to do is left click on this, right click, copy selection, paste it there, here, and here. And now I'm going to draw a line 1 9/16. That is my line right here. This is 1 9/16. So where this comes up at 90 degrees and intersects is where this is going to go through at 150. And now I can trim this stuff up.
Just wait till Rodney's here. Rodney Dukes! I thought you were just about to...
And now I need to figure out where this is coming up at.
Oh, yeah.
So this line right here, I'm going to go to this corner where this line intersects this line, which is this line right here, is going to be the point in which this comes over this way. So if I click here, go up at 90 degrees, that is the point at which this is going to connect, and now I can just draw a line through here at 330, and now I can trim this stuff up.
Yeah, it sounds like Rodney. Because Ethan!
Whoops, I did not mean to delete that.
It's a negative for a company when they get... Where'd it go?
Trim, TR, enter, I'll start deleting this stuff out of here now. I want to keep that, and it looks like this line just comes straight through here, so I'm going to copy this line to this point as well, to this corner.
Yeah, Kevin. My thoughts got a seating chart. I sit right.
Alright, and I can delete this whole back line here. I don't need that.
Oh God.
Alright, now I can start connecting lines like this.
What did I do?
Boom. Boom. Same thing over here. This line connects to this line, connects to this line right here. So I'm going to trim GR, enter, this line out. Okay, now I can get rid of this line right here. And now I'm focused on this back side. So it looks like this drawing, good morning Hernandez, is from the midpoint of this right here, I'm going over 1.5 from the back end, and then I'm going, let's see what other information I've got here. Okay, it looks like it rolls right into the back corner, so we're going to have to make, the ream is 6255, so we're going to have to make that divided by 2. So we're just going to pick this number, 6255 divided by 2. 6255 divided by 2 equals point. Okay. 31275. Alright, so I'm just going to go over this way at 210 degrees at point 31275. Now I'm going to go up point 31 at 275 at 90, and that's going to be the center of my drawing. But if you look at the center of this right here, but if you look at this and it says that this comes out 1.5 from the back end, I came this distance from the front end, so this section right here is 0.5, so subtracting 0.5 from 1.5, I'm just coming out 1. So if you were to draw a line from this at 330, that's 1. That's where the circle is going to go. So that radius, make sure you come down here, you turn this on, you press F5 until you get a right. You see right here, isoplane right, and I'm going to type EL for ellipse, I for enter, or I for isometric, click, and then that's going to be 31275. Point 31275, enter. And now that would be the center, wouldn't it? Yes, it would. So I did all that wrong. This measurement right here is wrong, but I'm going to keep that anyways. Okay, so it looks like the outer circle I'm looking for is 1 1/8. So 1 1/8 divided by 2 is 5625, so that's the number I'm working with right here. So I need to come over this way at point 5625, 5625 at 210, and then point 5625 at 90, and then I need to come out 1 at 330 from this point, and that's where I'm going to move this to the center of here, and then the outer ellipse is going to be 5625. So EL, enter, I, enter, click right here, point 5625. And now I need to enter a line from here, and I'm going to go up to where this thing hooks into this circle, and it makes that little point. If you don't have that, click on this right here. You're going to click, I'm sorry, where is that at? Right here. You're going to click on something called tangent. Where is it at? Right here. So that's going to hook into the tangent, or a smooth end of the ellipse, so you can get a nice transition back at, let's say, 1, because we're going to go 1 back there at 150, because we're going to need this outer ellipse, and you're going to copy this from the tangent back to this point, and we're also going to need the tangent down here at the bottom, and you can just copy this.
Jacob Dana,
So now this is going to require a little bit of cleaning up. So if you just hang with me, if this isn't making sense to you, it doesn't really need to. If you follow me hopefully when you're done cleaning this up, it will make sense. So you only really need this right here. That right there is gone. And then we're deleting everything out of the middle of this cylinder from the right of this line, and then everything inside of this shape here. So that is the clean final drawing.